Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best metal string wire is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any DIY enthusiast's or professional's arsenal, offering unparalleled strength and flexibility for a myriad of applications, from securing heavy loads and creating intricate crafts to reinforcing structures and even in specialized artistic endeavors, making its selection a critical decision for ensuring project success and longevity. Number 5. Mr. Penn 15-gauge aluminum craft wire. Introducing our premium aluminum craft wire, perfect for all your creative endeavors. This durable yet flexible wire is designed to hold its shape beautifully. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this wire offers the perfect balance of strength and pliability. It bends smoothly, making intricate designs effortless to create. Each roll provides ample length for numerous projects, ensuring you have enough material for everything from small embellishments to larger sculptures. Its 1.5 mm thickness is ideal for a wide range of applications. This versatile wire is suitable for a multitude of art and craft projects. Use it for wreath making, jewelry design, sculpting, floral arrangements, and so much more. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, this wire is an essential addition to your supplies. Let your imagination run wild with its endless possibilities. The elegant silver finish adds a touch of sophistication to your creations. It's perfect for crafting Christmas ornaments, training bonsai trees, and adding unique touches to any project. What we like. If you're looking for a wire that's easy to shape and manipulate for intricate crafts, this is the one. Its bendable nature makes it perfect for detailed sculpting, jewelry making, or creating delicate floral arrangements. Choose this if you prioritize ease of use and a material that holds its form beautifully for artistic projects. What people say. The wire is strong and durable, perfect for heavy-duty applications. It has a smooth finish that makes it easy to work with, preventing kinks and tangles. The metal string wire is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring a long lifespan even in harsh environments. Number 4. Ancectree String Light Hanging Kit. Introducing the Ancectree String Light Hanging Kit, designed for reliable outdoor lighting solutions. It's built with quality and durability in mind. Each component has undergone rigorous testing for rust resistance, load capacity, and a breaking strength of 480 pounds. It's also incredibly easy to use. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a vinyl coating, this cable boasts a 480 pounds breaking strength. It remains taut, preventing sagging even with heavy lights. Our innovative wire coil bobbins ensure your cables stay neat and untangled. Enjoy a hassle-free setup every time. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 182 feet of stainless steel cable, turnbuckles, hooks, clamps, eye straps, twist ties, screws, anchors, and a user manual. We are confident you'll love this kit. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund. Add it to your cart today. What we like. For those needing to suspend heavy-duty lights over large outdoor spaces, this kit is your best bet. Its robust stainless steel construction and impressive breaking strength ensure your lights will stay put without sagging. If you need a reliable and comprehensive solution for outdoor lighting installations, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The wire and anchors have been up for over a year now, really tight tension holding up string lights about 40 to 50 foot stretches. Still holding strong. Works great. All parts are sturdy and install was fairly simple. The cable didn't fray when I cut it and the clamps are holding after about 2 months in the Vegas wind. The lights I strung up are pretty hefty and weigh about 20 pounds per string. I currently have 3 sets of these lights strung around the cabling, so the cables can hold some weight for a long period of time. The hardware is built tough and really thick. We had 20 feet runs in our backyard and this cable reinforced them no problem and it removed all the tension from the string lights. Number 3. Fashewelry 28-gauge Tiger Tail Beading Wire. Introducing our premium beading wire, designed for your crafting needs. It's incredibly flexible and soft, making it a joy to work with. Each spool provides approximately 164 feet of wire, giving you plenty of material for numerous creations. This ensures you won't run out mid-project. Crafted from 7 strands of nylon-coated stainless steel, this wire offers exceptional strength and resistance to corrosion. It's built to last. Perfect for a wide range of jewelry projects, from delicate necklaces and bracelets to earrings and keychains. Let your creativity flow. This thin metal string is easy to cut with pliers, allowing for precise adjustments. It's ideal for stringing pearls and smaller beads. While perfect for smaller items, consider a thicker gauge when working with larger beads or rough stones to ensure durability. What we like. If delicate jewelry making is your passion, especially with smaller beads or pearls, this ultra-thin wire is perfect. Its flexibility and tarnish-resistant coating ensure your creations look professional and last longer. Consider this if you need a fine, durable wire for intricate beading projects where precision is key. What people say. Worked great and was super cheap, cutting it didn't fray it so it made threading it easier, and it matched the colors of the other fittings. Most of the cable was covered so any concerns about the roughness or any fringe aspects wasn't an issue, but even on its own the nylon kept it smooth. This wire is exactly what I was looking for. The quality is great. Very clean, smooth, shiny. I have used a lot of beading wire, this is the size, quality and quantity I like to use. Number 2. OOK50143 Solid Utility Wire. Introducing the OOK50143 Solid Utility Wire, a versatile solution for all your needs. This wire is perfect for various applications, from DIY projects to use around the house, garden, or farm. Its robust design guarantees a strong and reliable hold, ensuring your projects stay secure. You can trust its durability for any task. This is a 16-gauge wire, conveniently rolled out to 200 feet. This length provides ample material for numerous uses. It boasts an impressive strength, capable of holding up to 55 pounds. This makes it suitable for even heavier-duty applications. A helpful tip, remember that a thinner wire actually corresponds to a larger gauge number. This helps you choose the right size for your project. The wire comes in a sleek silver finish, adding a touch of practicality and style to your work. It's a reliable choice for any job. What we like. When you need a no-nonsense, reliable wire for general-purpose tasks around the house, garden, or farm, this solid utility wire is the answer. Its robust design offers a strong hold for various applications. If you're looking for a dependable wire for DIY projects or everyday repairs, this is a practical and effective option. What people say. The wire is strong and durable, perfect for heavy-duty applications. It's easy to cut and shape, making it versatile for various projects. The smooth finish prevents snagging and ensures a clean look. Number 1. Litcher Globe String Light Suspension Kit. This light hanging kit is designed for safety and durability. Its insulated and waterproof cable ensures reliable performance, and it can be easily trimmed to your desired length. This multifunctional kit is perfect for various applications. Use it to hang string lights, lanterns, or even dry clothes, enhancing your outdoor space with customizable lighting designs. Setting up this hanging system is a breeze. Made from high-quality stainless steel, all parts connect seamlessly with threads, making installation quick and effortless. It's also easy to store when not in use. Once installed, this guide wire provides a sturdy support system. It's strong enough to hold heavy string lights, even in large open areas, preventing any sagging. We are confident in our product. Enjoy a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support for complete peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. For creating a clean and safe outdoor lighting display, this kit offers an excellent solution. The insulated and waterproof cable ensures durability, while the transparent coating blends seamlessly. If you're aiming for a professional-looking string light setup that's built to last in various weather conditions, this is the one to get. What people say. The wire is strong and durable, perfect for heavy-duty applications. It's easy to cut and shape, making it versatile for various projects. The smooth finish prevents snagging and ensures a clean look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.